DJI has previously ventured into compact and modular design territory with the Action 2, a camera that received mixed reviews. While innovative, the Action 2's magnetic modular design faced criticism for its limited durability and somewhat awkward usability. Now, with the Osmo Nano, DJI seems ready to take another shot, this time with lessons learned and a better understanding of what users actually want. The Osmo Nano is expected to build on the Action 2's concept by reviving the modular, magnetic, wearable design, but with critical improvements. That's the idea behind DJI's upcoming Osmo Nano. Designed for creators who want to stay in the moment, this compact wearable camera takes aim at the GoPro Hero 11 Black Mini and Insta360 GO 3S, but with a more refined modular approach. Leaked images show a two-part setup: a top module housing the main camera, slightly bulkier than the GO 3S, possibly due to upgraded optics or built-in stabilization, and a bottom module packed with features, likely a battery, microscreen, control buttons, and possibly speaker or mic vents. It attaches magnetically to your chest via a neck lanyard, making it perfect for hands-free POV shots. A flippable screen seems to allow for both vlogging and selfie modes, while core features like 4K video, rock-steady stabilization, and DJI's app support are expected. The Osmo Nano is set to launch on July 23, 2025, with an estimated price between $300 and $400. This new form factor could allow users to easily attach or detach accessories such as screens or battery modules, enhancing both convenience and versatility. Competing brands like GoPro and Insta360 have found success with small, wearable cameras, and DJI's Osmo Nano looks like their direct response. The first concrete details came from tech insider Igor Bogdanov, who shared the Osmo Nano's FCC listing on his X, formerly Twitter account. In a follow-up post, he revealed a roadmap of upcoming DJI products, which included the Osmo Nano. Interestingly, DJI has registered two different model numbers with the FCC, ON00001 for the camera unit and OD00001 for the display. This all but confirms that the Osmo Nano will feature a modular design similar to the Action 2, allowing users to detach the camera and screen components. According to the FCC documents, the devices will support efficient wireless communication and low power consumption using spread spectrum technology. This suggests the possibility of extended battery life through add-on modules and seamless pairing between components. In terms of performance, the Osmo Nano is rumored to feature a 1-inch CMOS sensor, capable of recording 4K video at 120 frames per second. DJI's Osmo Action series has traditionally offered superior low-light performance compared to competitors like GoPro, and we expect the Osmo Nano to maintain that reputation. Stabilization is also set to be top-notch, with the inclusion of Rocksteady 3.0 Plus and Horizon Steady, making it perfect for fast-moving environments such as sports, biking, or even drone footage. This is particularly relevant for drone enthusiasts, as the Osmo Nano could serve as a highly adaptable camera option for DJI's existing drone lineup. Durability is a major concern for the Osmo Nano. Action cameras are often pushed to the limit in extreme conditions like mountain biking, snowboarding, and off-roading. With a modular design and edge-to-edge display, there's a higher risk of parts detaching or cracking. DJI will need to ensure the Nano is tough enough for serious action camera users. With DJI also reportedly working on a 360-degree camera this year, the Osmo Nano may be just one part of a broader push into immersive and portable video gear. Whether it can outshine GoPro and Insta360 remains to be seen, but DJI clearly isn't backing down. So, what do you think? Can the Osmo Nano take on the big players in the action camera world? Let us know your thoughts. Okay, so here's the deal. Something just leaked, and it might be the next tiny titan in Insta360's lineup. A brand new lightweight action camera that's got the internet buzzing. But, plot twist, it's not the Go 4 we were all waiting for. Nope. If this image leak is real, and all signs point to yes, we're looking at something called the Insta360 GO 4S. For months now, everyone was expecting a straightforward Go 4 launch, probably sometime in mid-2025, following Insta360's usual pattern. But this 4S? It's unexpected, it's weird, and it might just be brilliant. A sneaky power play? This wouldn't be the first time Insta360 flipped the script. They've been known to do rapid refreshes in response to creator demand, especially when it comes to improving video quality and stabilization without bulking up the camera. And that's exactly what this leak seems to be hinting at. A refined, possibly more powerful version of the GO 3S, packed into that signature ultra-small form factor creators love. So let's break it down. Zooming in on the leaked image. First off, the camera body in the leaked photo looks clean, sleek, minimal, and definitely keeping with the classic GO series design. It's still super compact and magnetic, perfect for POV shots and hands-free creative work. But here's the kicker. That lens? It's noticeably bigger than what we saw on the GO 3S, and that could mean two things, or both. A larger, improved image sensor, and sharper, higher quality optics. Given that the GO 3S was the first GO series camera to offer native 4K video, this next step could push the envelope even further. Perhaps better low-light performance or improved dynamic range? Just below the lens, there's a thin horizontal light strip, likely the same familiar recording indicator found on previous models. To the left of that, there's a small button, probably serving the same purpose as the quick record button on the GO 3S. But the real eyebrow raiser? The cutouts. Instead of one cutout below the lens, there are two. That second one could be a flash, something the GO series has never included before. And honestly, that would be a killer feature. Think about it. Better lighting for close-up shots, vlogging in darker environments, or just extra punch for those indoor captures. Combine that with what we're guessing is improved wind noise reduction, and you've got a very compelling upgrade on your hands. The GO 3S already offered a bump in audio clarity over the GO 3, so if Insta360 is continuing to refine that, this 4S could offer some of the best sound we've heard yet from a micro-action cam. So, what is this thing? If you squint at the label on the case in the leaked photo, it really does say GO 4S, which is kind of wild considering the 3Ss only came out last June. So what are we looking at here? Best guess? This is either a soft refresh, think GO 3S to GO 4S, with a better lens, audio upgrades, a flash, and possibly better stabilization. Or it's a prototype, a sneak peek into what Insta360 has in store for late 2025 or early 2026. Or, stay with us here, it's the first step in a two-part rollout. The 4S drops first, and then we get the fully reimagined GO 4 later on. Whatever the case may be, one thing is clear. Insta360 isn't slowing down. If this GO 4S is real, we're looking at a serious contender in the micro-action cam market, a compact, magnet-mounted beast with more power than ever. So keep your eyes open because, if history tells us anything, Insta360 doesn't tease for long. A full reveal could be just around the corner. And when it drops, you better believe we'll be ready to break it all down.